This is the probable question we are going to do. So last lecture we had done journal entries with to the same. Yeah. I told you to pass the necessary entries. We had done it in the last lecture. When you post entries, I mean, yeah, when you mark your journal entries, you have to mark 2, 3, 4 items which is of relevance. Minimum it is 2 obviously, because for every debit there has to be a corresponding credit effect, but then sometimes we combine the entries, so then we have to search in for more than 2. Okay, yeah. Rushup, I had also told you कौन सा possible ledgers बनाना है, ये भी हमने discuss किया था. ठीक है, तो सब्सिडारी बुक्स में हमें सिर्फ 3 सब्सिडारी बुक्स बनानी है. परचेज बुक, which where all credit transactions related to purchases will be recorded. This credit purchase will be recorded. Then sales book, where only sales transactions are recorded. Then cash book, only cash which has come in, that is receipts and payments will be recorded. Cash incoming and cash outgoing. CI, that is important. And then the probable ledgers as per your journal entries. Okay, yeah. Important is the subsidiary books. Purchase return books you don't have to prepare because it's not given in the question. Okay, to start with purchase book. Purchase, only 2 transactions related to purchases, only 2, on 2nd Jan and 4th. Okay, these are did purchase entries. Mic is I'm going to record only the sales related transactions. The details. Okay, it's Jan. Jan, like 4,000. 20. Next, come to the cash book. So these were the 3 credit sales entries. Okay, credit sales, strictly credit sales. Because for cash book we have cash sales, cash purchases, and payments, receipts. Everything will be recorded in cash book. और ये सेल्स बुक का टोटल कहाँ जाएगा? When we make the sales का ledger, it will go there. Come to your cash book. See the first, complete the receipt side because I have taught you the shortcut. ठीक है ना? जर्नल एंट्री अगर आपने नहीं भी पास की है फॉर कैश ट्रांजैक्शंस चल जाएगा बिकॉज कैश बुक में यू कैन डायरेक्टली आइडेंटिफाई. जर्नल एंट्री पास करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है फॉर कैश बुक. यू कैन डायरेक्टली आइडेंटिफाई पैसा अंदर आ रहा है, पुट इट अंडर रिसीट्स, कैश इनकमिंग. पैसा बाहर जा रहा है, पुट इट अंडर पेमेंट्स, कैश आउटगोइंग. सिंपल. ओके, सो चेक 1st January cash is coming in the business through capital. Okay, so write in the cash column 2 lakhs. 5th Jan cash sales 4,600. 13th Jan, yeah, received money from Bhatia and company and discount given to them. So for us it is discount allowed, right? Yeah, 60 rupees, 1980. 17th Jan cash sales 10,700. 19th Jan Ganesh and company cash received from him 1,000. 27th Jan Hoshiar Singh paid 3,000 rupees. Okay, he was declared bankrupt, right? So he was due to us 4,000 but he could pay only 3,000. So 1,000 हमारा bad debts है, तो वो यहाँ नहीं आएगा. When you make the ledger of bad debts उधर जाएगा. Okay. And then 31st Jan received from Ganesh and company and we allowed them discount 100 rupees. So he was supposed to pay us 4,000 but we gave him a discount of 100 rupees. So he paid us only 3,900. Okay, so this is the cash incoming side, receipt side of the cash book. Okay, then cash outgoing, payments, strictly payments. So the payment done is on 3rd Jan for cash purchase 35,000. 11th Jan for stationery 1050. 12th Jan Modi and Sons paid us. Sorry, we made payments to Modi and Sons. Modi and Sons से हमने कुछ purchase किया था. See the purchase book? Yes, we had purchased from them on 2nd January. So in connection to that, we have made payments also to them. Okay, yeah. Modi and Sons discount मिला है 3070 का. Okay, 61,400 उस पे 5% discount था. 3070. Okay, so the difference is in paid in cash. Then 23rd Jan cash purchases 26,000. 31st Jan rent is paid 2,800 and 31st Jan Delhi traders को हमने pay किया. Okay, so you were supposed to pay him 73,300. You paid him less. You paid him 73,000. So 300 rupees आपका cash received है. Sorry, discount received है. Okay. Okay. Close this ledger. I mean, close the cash book, not ledger. Close the cash book. So discount is 160 on the debit side and 3370 on the credit side. Please don't balance this. Please don't write the difference as by balance carry down. Don't do that. जब आप लेजर बनाओगे डिस्काउंट का वहाँ पे बैलेंस दिखाना है, नॉट इन कैश बुक. ओके, Then close the cash book. So you will get a balance of 46,820. Okay, you will get this balance. Just a minute, I'll show you. Get this balance of 46,820. Closing balance, which will become opening balance in the next month, obviously. Okay. This is your closing balance, which will become opening balance. Then make capital account. Okay. Capital में only one entry is there. Capital brought in wala 2 lakhs on the credit side. Then close the capital account. You will get a balance, closing balance, 31st January. Then come to furniture account. Okay, furniture account. Furniture account में there are 2 entries. One, when you purchase the furniture on 1st January, and second, depreciation. So you purchase the furniture at 25,000 and you charge depreciation 250. So balance, closing balance is how much? 24,750. Closing balance. When you close the ledger, you will get this balance. Next, Nukul furnitures. Okay, so इसका second effect will be here, 25,000. Right? One, when you post the journal into ledger, you give 2 effects, right? First effect is in furniture account. The second effect is in obviously the creditor's account. Nukul furniture home. Close this ledger. You will get a balance 25,000. Okay. Next, come to Modi and Sons का account. Modi and Sons से 2nd January को we had done purchases 61,400 and 12th January को we paid him cash and we got cash discount also. ठीक है, so the account tallies. ठीक है ना, full settlement कर रहे थे, obviously तो account tally होगा. full settlement किया है, 61,400 में खरीदा था 2nd Jan, payment कर दिया by 12th Jan, so he gave us cash discount. So the account got tallied. Now come to purchases. Purchases में there are 2 cash purchases, तो उसका second effect आएगा इधर purchase account में. One effect is in the cash book, second effect will be in purchases account, obviously. And then purchases का हमने total किया था. See, I'll take you back to the sum. Purchases का हमने total किया था 1,34,700. Yes. Rubber credit purchases, yeah. So credit purchase का one effect is in the purchase book. The second effect will be where? Yeah, you will carry forward this, na? See, 134,700. Two sundries as per purchase book. Okay. Then you close this ledger. You will get the balancing figure, closing balance in purchase. Okay. Then again, one more party is there, Delhi traders. 4th Jan को आपने उनसे परचेज किया था क्रेडिट परचेज 73,300 and 31st Jan को you paid them in cash, so you availed a cash discount also. Yeah, so the ledger got tallied. Okay. the ledger has to tally obviously because settlement हो गया है ना. 73,300 का आपने goods लिया उससे credit पे. Then 31st January को you paid in 73,000, so he gave you 300 का discount January 300. ठीक है, like this. Next, sales account. Same what we did in purchases. Cash sales का second effect. एंड सेल्स का जो हमने क्लोजिंग किया था या सेल्स बुक का जो बैलेंस था 28,860 या दिस यू विल ट्रांसफर टू सेल्स अकाउंट ऑब्वियसली बाय सन्ड्रीज एज पर सेल्स अकाउंट 28,860. Okay, total this, the balancing figure will go to, what will you write? To balance carried down 31st January. This is my closing balance. Whether you write to balance carried down or you write to balance to closing balance, it's one and the same. Next, Bhatia and Company. इससे भी हमने credit sales किया था on 8 January. We had done credit sales from him, and then on 13 January, yeah, he gave us the money 19,800 and discount 60. So this ledger will also tally. Then come to stationery account. Printing and stationery, you can even write that, yeah. So printing and stationery was purchased for paid in cash, one entry. Yeah. Close the ledger. Closing this. Then Ganesh and Company. गणेश एंड कंपनी से हमने 18 जनवरी को सेल्स किया था एंड ही पेड अस ऑन 19th the next day. 1,000 cash, 3,900 in cash. Okay, so 5,000 का हमने उसको क्रेडिट सेल्स किया था, उसमें से उसने 1,000 18th 19th को भर दिया और बाकी का पैसा 3,900 he paid on the last day and he availed 100 rupees discount from us. Okay, so obviously he has settled his account. अपना अकाउंट उसने सेटल कर दिया, राइट, तो टैली हो गया. Okay, same होशियार सिंह, yeah. We had done one credit sales with him on 21st January, 4,000 ka. Then after 6 days, 27 January, he declared himself as bankrupt. So we could only receive 3,000 from him. And so 1,000 is our gross balance. Okay, the account tallies. Account does not tally because he paid us. No. He did not pay us full. He was supposed to pay us 4,000. So please don't say your 1,000 rupees discount. Nahi, he couldn't pay us 1,000 rupees. We did not give him any discount. He couldn't pay us 1,000 rupees because he was declared bankrupt, insolvent. So here this 1,000 will not go in discount. It will go in bad debts. Okay. Account tallies. Then bad debts account. Yeah. Bad debts में there is only one entry of होशियार से 27 Jan. Then close the ledger. You will get a balance of 1,000. Next, rent account, same. You have paid for rent and when you close the balance on 21st. Then depreciation, furniture for depreciation 250, and then take the difference of that balance 250. Then discount entry I told you na, from cash book, yeah, discount 160 and 3370, one from cash book credit side, one from credit side, one from debit side. This is discount allowed and this one is discount received. Discount allowed matlab you are the manufacturer and you are given discount to your customer, so it's a loss. तो उतना पैसा नहीं मिलता, नुकसान है। और जब आप डिस्काउंट रिसीव करते हो, it happens during credit purchase, credit or cash, whatever you call it. Take the difference. Difference is 3210, which is your closing price. ठीक है? So is it clear till here? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is it clear till here to everyone? So last lecture we had done journal. Today we did ledger and subsidiary books. And the last part is trial balance now. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Now trial balance ka, there are two ways for the trial balance. Okay? Yeah. One is the gross trial balance. हमने theory में किया था. Initially when I started this chapter, I had taught you the theory. So there are two types of trial balance. Okay, please make a note of it. There are two types of trial balance. Okay, which one? First, a gross trial balance. Gross trial balance और एक होता है net trial balance. Okay, दोनों भी trial balance ही है, but एक gross है, एक net है. ठीक है? Fine? Yeah. One is a gross trial balance, one is a net trial balance. Generally, what we make, what you have learned since FIJC is a net trial balance. We have learned this one. This one. We have learned always a net trial balance. We don't learn gross trial balance because it is not in practice. Net trial balance is in practice. ठीक है? So net trial balance कैसे करते हैं? चलो, let me take you to that. Yeah. तो net trial balance बताती हूँ. Go to your ledgers. Okay, go to your ledgers. Okay, first go to capital. Capital the balance is how much? 2 lakhs. So come to trial balance account. Come to the net trial balance. Trial balance account. See, capital 2 lakhs in the credit side. Okay. Next, after capital, which account did I make? Furniture. Okay, so furniture balance is how much? 24,750. Okay, so write down trial balance में furniture debit side 24,750. Okay, next after furniture, Nukul furniture home. What is the balance? 25,000. So come to trial balance, write down 25,000 in the credit side. Okay, you record on the opposite side ना, debit पे है तो credit में आप trial balance के लिखोगे, credit में तो आप debit के side में लिखोगे trial balance के. ठीक है? Next, ये भी हो गया. Next, Modi and Sons, ये तो tally हो गया, so it will not be reflected in trial balance. Yeah. Purchase account is reflected in trial balance, obviously. See, Purchase account 1,95,700. See your purchase account. Yeah. What is the closing balance? 1,95,700. Credit में है तो ट्रायल बैलेंस के ऑपोजिट साइड डेबिट में दिखेगा. Yes, obviously दिखेगा. 1,95,700. Next, Delhi traders tally हो जाएगा, so it will not be reflected in trial balance. Any ledger that tallies will not be reflected in trial balance. Trial balance is a summary of closing balances. Okay, yeah. Next, sales account. Sales account, what is the balance? 44,160 debit side. So I will record it on the credit side of trial balance. Okay, sales. See, sales 44,160. Next, Bhatia account gets tallied, so it will not be reflected in my trial balance. Next is stationery. Stationery का balance कितना है? 1050 on the credit side. So I will record it on the debit side of my trial balance. Stationery account, see, 1050. Next, Ganesh and Company and Hoshiar Singh. Both the ledgers will get tallied, so it is not going to be reflected in my trial balance. Next, bad debts. Yes, bad debts का closing balance is at 1,000 credit side, so I will record it on the debit side. Bad debts. Next, rent account. Rent. कितना balance है? 2,800. The credit side, I will record it trial balance debit. Okay. Next, depreciation. Balance is how much? 250. Credit side, I will record it on the debit. Then discount 3210 debit, I will record it on the credit. Opposite दिखाना है ना. Yeah. फिर एक क्लास बचता है मेरे पास कैश बुक. Yeah. कैश बुक का बैलेंस कितना था? 46,820 credit, so I will record it on the debit. Okay, receipts are more, right? Payments are less, receipts are more. 46,820. This should be year due. Okay, just total it. 2 lakhs plus 25,000 plus 44,160. 2,69,160. Total this side. 46,820 plus 24,750 plus 1,95,700 plus 1,050 plus 1,000 plus 2,800 plus 450. 2,72,370. Just a minute. 2 lakhs plus 25,000 plus 44,160 plus 3210. 3210. Yeah, it tallies 2,72,370. Okay, there is an error here, huh? Students, please rectify. Cash will not come in the credit side. Absolutely wrong. उसका बैलेंस क्रेडिट साइड में आया है लेजर में in the passbook. It is on the credit side, so it will be reflected on the opposite side in the, what do you call it, in the trial balance. Okay, yeah. ये यहाँ नहीं आएगा for sure. ठीक है, done, clear. So this is called a net trial balance. इसको बोलते हैं net trial balance, which is your practice since 11th standard. इसको ऐसे ही करते हैं. अभी ग्रॉस ट्रायल बैलेंस क्या होता है, आई विल टेल यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. सो विद द सेम मीटिंग आईडी rejoin at 12. Okay, and one more sum I will discuss with you, one small sum with a little bit technical journal entries to it. Okay, a very small sum we will do that. Okay, so got the difference between net trial balance. तो जो आप लोग करते आ रहे हो 11th स्टैंडर्ड से, उसको नेट ट्रायल बैलेंस ही बोलते हैं. वी आर यूज टू एंड वी आर हैबिचुएटेड टू दैट ट्रायल बैलेंस ओनली. Okay, even when you do final accounts, net trial balance is given in the question, not the gross one. ठीक है ना? I will tell you next कि gross trial balance क्या होता है. ठीक है? Okay. So same meeting ID से you're gonna join. Same meeting ID you're going to use. You're going to join at 12. Right?